Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
I'm Jim Stanovic, along with Carol Masser. Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. We're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter Jordan Fitzgerald. Jordan, you're looking at some stocks after hours. You're looking at some stocks that had big moves during the day. Where do you want to start?
I think let's start with what happened during the regular session.
AI scare trade, it is on.
It seems like for the past couple of weeks, all that's happening is we hear rumblings of a small AI company and an entire industry just sinks because of it.
Is this the karaoke machine one?
I don't think so.
What was it, right? Or that's the logistics.
Yeah,
that was the logistics.
Yes.
Anyway, sorry, go ahead.
I wish it were karaoke machines. I'd love to be talking about karaoke machines. C.H. Robinson shares down 14.5% on the day, most since 2019. Actually, intraday sunk the most ever before pairing a bit. Led declines in logistics names today. And this was another AI displacement casualty. Barclays did come out and say that they thought that the sell-off was overdone and actually a buying opportunity for the whole group, particularly C.H. Robinson. But we can't deny that we just have to be watching for these sudden drops in entire sectors just tanking.
Don't worry. There's a karaoke connection. Carol is on it. Algorithm, which had a market cap of less than $5 million before today, previously operated as the singing machine company. It sold karaoke products until rebranding in 2024 as an AI logistics firm. The company reported less than $2 million in sales for the quarter that ended September 30th, with a net loss totaling $3 million for the period.
Yeah, so it's the trucking and logistics. Yeah.
I need to know both of your karaoke songs right now.
I don't really have one. Do you have one?
Yeah.
What's yours?
Bruce Springsteen, Born to Run. Let's do that one. Yeah.
I feel like he doesn't know the name of that song.
That doesn't sound like that was his song. Moving along, let's go to Equinix. What do we need to know? Ticker is EQIX.
Yes, EQIX, Equinix. This is kind of the other side of this AI trade where we're looking for stocks that are reaping the benefits of all of this. And it seems to be a theme that the companies that work on the physical side of AI are really doing well. So Equinix operates data centers. Reported after the bell yesterday, shares up 10.4% today. That's the best since May 2024, hitting a June 2025 high. And that really came after its 2026 guidance beat. And like I said, you have these companies like C.H. Robinson where they think AI is just going to replace everything they do, but you also have companies that need to, build up the AI that's going to replace what everyone else does.
That infrastructure play, right? The build
exactly.
Out. Yeah. We totally see that play out. All right, that's a good one. Let's go to some of the after hours. There was a big batch of earnings after the closing bell. Let's go to Coinbase. This was one everybody was watching very closely.
Yes, Coinbase also had a bit of a day in the regular session. Bitcoin was down on the day, and Coinbase fell about 8% today. There was also some issues with the website today. Coinbase had to come out and say, your money's okay, but you might not be able to trade it at the moment. Not exactly what you want to hear amid a big crypto rout, but they did then come out.
Don't be worried. Anyway, okay, go ahead.
They did come out with their results after the bell. Fourth quarter revenue beat. Fourth quarter EPS was a miss. Yeah. And initially, the stock did fall after earnings before bouncing back. Last I checked, they were up about 3% in the post market. And I think this is just coming.
Oh, yeah. What a swing.
But, Coinbase is down 38% this year.
Yeah.
And so, even though crypto's demand is not great, even though crypto's not doing well, the fact that they were able to beat on revenue, I think is a bit of a buoy for Coinbase. Yeah. And also, it's just down so much this year that it maybe could have used a little, the bar might have been lower.
Yeah, like people expecting the worst.
Exactly.
But, certainly it's already kind of
baked in. The double downgrade.
Yeah, I would like to look at the RSI on that one.
Yeah. Oh, let's do that. RSI. I have this handy dandy machine called the Bloomberg.
Never heard of it.
It's definitely oversold. It's just about underneath that.
So it makes sense why.
But it's been there for a while, for a little bit.
And it's kind of come up and help it up.
Yeah.
Before we let you go, Applied Materials also reporting today.
Yes, Applied Materials, also another infrastructure bet here. It's the largest U.S. supplier of chipmaker equipment, and shares are up almost 10% in the post market. And that came as the first quarter EPS and net sales beat, and the second quarter forecast just blew it out of the water. They forecast an adjusted EPS of $2.44 to $2.84. Estimate was $2.29. So that really gave some ammunition for traders to just take that one going.
I mean, the stock is up almost 30% here already in 2026. So,
and it shows this disparity between, the soft AI names or where the competition really is and where we need this build out to happen, and the company's helping with that.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.